When your lemon chicken calls for browning and slow cooking, we make it so easy to do it all in one place. Combination cooking with the Cuisinart Cook Central 3-in-1 multi-cooker for saucy bolognese, low and slow. Braise short ribs, go high and low. Simmer soups and super chili. And even steam artichokes. With the Cuisinart Cook Central, you don't have to cook. It does the cooking for you.
From Wolf Gourmet, the way you cook is about to be revolutionized. Introducing the multi-function cooker. This high-performance appliance can slow cook, sauté, sear, prepare rice, and even sous vide. As a slow cooker, the manual, meal timer, and program modes allow you to plan and cook your meal to achieve precise, delicious results. Because of its intelligent design, the multi-function cooker does the work for you. Pre-program your dish to cook on 2 different temperatures, switching automatically, so you can tend to more important things. Or program your meal to be finished cooking exactly when you're ready to serve it. The option of a temperature probe allows you to cook sauces or meat to an exact temperature. Sauté vegetables or sear a filet. Cook 6 to 18 cups of white or brown rice and sous vide in temperature-controlled water for precise results. With the Wolf Gourmet multi-function cooker, you can create a culinary masterpiece with confidence. More precise control means more delicious meals every time.
Your Ninja Foodi Deluxe is equipped with 9 cooking functions for endless mealtime possibilities. The pressure, steam, slow cook, and yogurt functions are used with the pressure lid. Use the sear, sauté without the lid for browning and flipping ingredients, just like on your stovetop. The air crisp, bake, roast, broil, and dehydrate functions are used with the crisping lid. To adjust the temperature or pressure level, press the temp button and turn the knob to select your desired temperature. To adjust the cooking time, press the time button and turn the knob to select your cooking time. Press the start/stop button to begin or end your cooking cycle. Use the pressure function to quickly tenderize and infuse moisture into your foods with pressurized steam. After pressure cooking your food, use the air crisp function to tender crisp your food to perfection. Use the steam function to cook foods you typically steam in a pot on your stovetop. Steam infuses moisture, seals in flavor, and maintains the texture of your foods. Use the slow cook function for low and slow cooking for chili, stews, and pulled pork. Use the yogurt function to easily create delicious yogurt. The air crisp function delivers a crispy, golden texture using little to no oil. The bake roast function allows you to cook meals in the pot as you would with your oven. The broil function used with the Deluxe reversible rack finishes off your meals with caramelization and crispiness. The dehydrate function allows you to gently remove moisture from ingredients to create snacks like chips and jerky. Visit ninjakitchen.com for exciting recipe ideas to get you started. For more information, visit www.ninjakitchen.com.